Welcome back to Master Designs. Hello everyone, welcome back. Tonight's episode of Master Designs, we're going to draw Eatle from Ben 10 Omniverse. You remember when I drew Eatle in the last episode? Well, for starters, you know that Eatle is the word beetle without the letter B, as in Barosaurus. And just not to bug you, when we first met Eatle, he started out as a humanoid creature, and his mouth didn't really open when he interacted. But he still had chomping abilities. A few days later, his appearance changed in Ben 10 Omniverse, and on the toy line, he had this special gimmick where you opened his mouth and he had chomping action. That was really fast how the creators of Ben 10 managed to change his appearance that quick. Yeah? You ask me? This is really how his appearance changed so fast? That didn't really seem fair. I wanted to see Eatle in action more. After all, he was put into Ben 10 Ultimatrix by Ben 10,000 himself, after he unlocked every alien he has ever become up until now, and adding a few new ones, including Clockwork. Mom, Alexa, stop.
Get right now.
I'm in the middle of something.
No music. You could draw, but no music.
Okay.
It's late.
Sorry about that, viewers.
And Kyle, you better be up with Carolyn and not argue.
Alright. Alexa, what is a rhino beetle?
According to Wikipedia, dynasty or rhinoceros beetles are a subfamily of the scarab beetle family. Other common names, some for particular groups of rhinoceros beetles, include Hercules beetles, unicorn beetles, or horn beetles. Over 1,500 species and 225 genera of rhinoceros beetles are known. Many rhinoceros beetles are well known for their unique shapes and large sizes.
Alexa, resume playing. Alexa, what is a sawtooth stag?
Here's something I found on Wiktionary. I have a couple definitions for the noun. Sawtooth. 1. A cutting bit of a saw. 2. Sawtooth blade.
Alexa, what is a stag beetle?
Stag beetles are a family of about 1,200 species of beetles in the family Lupinidae, currently classified in 4 subfamilies. Some species grow to over 12 centimeters. but most to about 5 centimeters. Did that answer your question?
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
Thanks for your feedback.
And there he is, everyone. That's how you draw Eatle from Ben 10 Omniverse. Not to be rude, but I actually like the original one. Don't tell Eatle I said that. Anyways, oh yeah, forgot to add the back. There. Now that's how you draw Eatle. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.